Hello guys, so here I am today with new experiment. I had this subwoofer enclosure lying in my storeroom down, so I had no idea how to play it in home because I was not having the dedicated amplifier to play it. So today I am going to do this experiment. This is 20 years old Philips home theater system. Let me show you the model number. It's MMS 430. Okay, it's of Philips. You can see it's 20 years old, guys. But see the build quality. That's why I always recommend to go for the branded product and not the desi jugadu items. I have seen unboxing inside terminals and parts of many cheap Indian systems such as Opage and Boat and whatnot. Boat is actually rebranded Chinese brand, but still you can see the brand is brand. Okay, and it's been 20 years and still it's working perfectly fine. I opened it because I'm going to abuse this amplifier and gonna force it to play this huge subwoofer. So the previous subwoofer I removed inside, that is 30 watts only, and this is 300 watts. 300 watt RMS, 30 watt RMS, 4 ohms, 4 ohms. So that's all. Look at the subwoofer. The fit and finish of branded stuff is of next level. This is small one, okay, seems to be around 4-inch, I guess. These are the surrounds. And in those days they used to give such kind of adapter. This is power adapter. It's heavy. I don't know what's inside. I think there is transformer. You can see this. So that's all. Now stay tuned. I will connect this and let's see how does it sound. So guys, forgive me for the wiring and messy stuff, but this is just an experiment. So I started it. So 20 years old home theater system. Okay, 20 years old tiny amplifier is powering this huge 300 watt RMS subwoofer. This is not the recommended practice. Okay, this is just a temporary experiment I am doing. The original subwoofer is this one, tiny. Bass is boomy. Okay, I'm not getting the lows because the placement might not be good. I have to place it in corner somewhere or here or there, but it's too loud. This is playlist of NCS bass tracks uploaded on my channel. You can check it out over there. Now increase the volume. So that's all guys, this was just a temporary demo. In small room, honestly, as of now, right now I am not satisfied with the performance. Maybe because the amplifier is tiny one, or because the room is small. This is the guest room we have on the upstairs, but I decided to try here because no one stays here. I can do plenty of experimenting over here without anyone's disturbance. So if you are planning to install car subwoofer in your home, the placement matters, and there are lots of parameters which completely changes the signature, the tonal performance of car subwoofer in the home. Because I had same subwoofers in my bedroom and then I switched to big room, that is my hall, and there was tremendous improvement. So car subwoofers love bigger rooms if you are gonna use them into your home. That's all. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop your comments below. Please subscribe guys. Please subscribe. Stay tuned, live loud.